23rd to 24th December 2023 marked a pivotal moment in the fight against climate change. The esteemed Bahria Auditorium was adorned with purpose, hosting visionaries and change makers from around the globe. At the helm of this transformative event was SKYTech, the catalyst behind the scene. SKYTech, with its innovative prose, painted the conference with creativity. From breathtaking designs to captivating video edits, their touch was evident across every platform. From modest 37 likes to an astounding 3.2k likes, from 0 reviews to resounding 20, propelling the ratio to an impressive 4.5 stars, the website underwent a transformation mirroring the event's impactful message. The heartbeat of the event resonated through social media, all thanks to SKYTech's expert management. Every post, every share, testament to their dedication and proficiency. And on the day of the event, SKYTech orchestrated seamless harmony, collaborating hand in hand with Rotary team. They ensured a flawless and unforgettable experience for all attendees. SKYTech didn't just provide digital marketing services, they painted a masterpiece of success. Their commitment, expertise, and passion made the Climate Change Conference an extraordinary conference, SKYTech turning visions into reality.